What is never. Hey manje. Oh, no, manje. What is up, world? Mfana Kamelo. Welcome to Mozambique Music. Yeah, it's my favorite. It's a platform where we break the music to like covers, break the emotion, and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, inspire us. Basically, positive on toxic side music. But nangas game, I must say, so it means something else is cooking, guys. Appreciate you guys for all the love that you guys are giving me. We are currently sitting on 596. Guys, as you guys see this, we are 4 subscribers away from 600. I've acquired 600 subscribers in 9 months. That is crazy. So namhlanje we are reacting to the host of Ingoni FM, which is an online radio station that plays every Thursday from 6 to 9, hosted by Lady Pastor Utundu, Pastor Chris Khatebe, no Pastor Musa Mbata. They went on the Penduga show for I think like a couple of weeks back, and they had conversations, and while I was watching, I was like, wow, this is crazy. So I picked up something, and I genuinely want to react to a specific part of this thing, more like my highlights. But I will make sure that I leave the link in the description, obviously, and also to follow all these people too. If you genuinely do want to follow them, I leave all their details below. But bro, let me take you to my highlights of the show. Trust me.
Uthi why i-radio?
These are
Why
these are the few things that I heard them say throughout the interview that made me go like, hmm, I'm glad. Like I'm just let's get to it.
uthi why i-radio? Why nithatha umkhakha we-radio?
Eh umkhakha we-radio azange siwuthathe nawuthatha thina.
Yeah.
We can't bring change to everyone, but sifuna ukuletha umehluko empilweni vele ukuthi we can't help you but we bringing help to you. Bese sekukuwe ke. Yabo, it's like having
For real, bro. That's a vibe, bro. I understand. I mean, this is one of the things that made me go like, hey.
a Bible. Bible cannot read itself unless you open it. Yabo, so
Yes.
thina silethe lokho. So isiteshi esisebenzelayo okanye esisebenza kuyo uNkulunkulu asithembe ngaso ukuthi abalaleli umessage yakhe iconvey through yona ibizwa ukuthi Ingoni FM, izwi labantu. It's online radio, tholakala kwi-link esisazoyishiya khona la kwepepenyuka nama-numbers akhona ukuthi sitholakala nini. I-show it's on every Thursday 6 until 9.
Uhlelo lolo sisiyeke sahlala sacobungula siza namagama sifuna igama lokuthi sizoyibiza le show yethu sithi yini, yabona iyini le show yethu, until ke sibone ukuthi le gama elithi engage, to engage with people. It's when you're drawing people closer to you to come and share whatever, and nabo baze bazo offloada ngoba esikhathini esiningi what we've realized is that emasontweni yes kuyashumayelwa kodwa iy'ntshumayelo azibaguquli abantu. Reason being omunye intshumayelo ayimnikanga lento le ekuyiyo emhluphayo uze nalo mthwalo othwele ufuna umuntu azokhuluma naye ukuthi I've got this problem.
You get, bruh. Like you get, Joe. Like, do you get that? Why would come guys? You have to go watch the entire interview. Oh my god.
Intshumayelo ayimnikanga lento le ekuyiyo emhluphayo uze nalo mthwalo othwele ufuna umuntu azokhuluma naye ukuthi I've got this problem. Mara esontweni ayikho leyo chance leyo, yabona. Lowo muntu uzongena esontweni akhonze vele kube mnandi ngoba izwi vele lona liyaphilisa aphume ephilile, kodwa uma sekayedwa futhi during the week uyabuya. That is where we come in thina ke ukuthi ngolosine ke manje siyahamba siyothinta lesasilonda, yabona, because the topics that we're dealing with ama-topics vele are very sensitive and asithintayo nathi siloko siwapresent
I can
ayasithinta.
attest.
Kodwa ke simbona uNkulunkulu esebenza ngendlela engumangaliso through this show.
Why radio, to answer it quite very, very clear, is that
khona lento le
Facts. Like what Pastor Kundu said, it's a fact, bro. Like, yo, bruh, the topics that they'll be talking about sometimes. Hey,
uNkulunkulu
crazy.
esebenza ngendlela engumangaliso through this show.
But why radio, to answer it quite very, very clear, is that khona lento le sithi ke it's a peace of God and peace with God.
Listen to this man.
Those are two different things, but it's
Yeah.
the same line, but there's very different things. Peace of God, sime pulpit sikutshela ngoJesu uvuma bese wenza ngathi uyafuna. But there's a peace of God ukuhamba noNkulunkulu njalo nje.
Yeah.
Yabo? So that principle siletha la.
Yeah.
Yabo ukuthi abantu it's like esikolweni uthisha vele wabhala wa summarize nje pulpit on Sunday, that we come on Thursday to polish it so that umuntu understand why I walk with Christ. Yabo? It's not because iyashiya pulpit, it's because I see him doing amazing things in my life and I want to be part of that every day. So you need to get the peace of God. So it's a spiritual show. Yes. So it's spiritual and it's very robust in the sense that
I agree. No, for real. Bro. Like, no, like that one day. Just tune in, uzongibona.
so it's a spiritual show. Yes. So it's spiritual and it's very robust in the sense that see ama-topic esiwashoyila esontweni abafundisi abahleba ngawo kuma WhatsApp. Umbonile umfundisi wenzani, we come to discuss those things straight. Okay, into so is this thing allowed in the church? Are you allowed to do this thing esontweni? So ama-topic akhona ilawa vele amanye ama-gossip. We bring it with, no, it's not a gossip. It's actually you need to add, you must account. So uNkulunkulu, it doesn't hold anybody to account when you're responsible. Never. It doesn't. You have to be responsible to be accountable. So more umfundisi ufaka ukholo. You have to be account. You have to account because you have decided ukuthi kena uzofaka ukholo. Even God appoints you, but ukholo uchoose abantu ukuthi uzofaka. And then you must account to that. So siletha lokho ukuthi kena hold your leaders to account. Hold them to account. Everybody must account. I account. They want to baphethe. Nalaba abangiphethe, I must account to them. So si push another narrative naleyo. At the same time, si push no Zion in the music format. Okay, we've realized the platform of Zion is been switched off.
Wow. That is a bar. That is a okay. What I mean, man, that is a bar. That's facts, bro. It's the same thing with this YouTube channel. That platform for Zion has been switched off, bro. Oh man, Pastor Chris. Oh my God.
At the same time, si push no Zion in the music format. Okay, we've realized the platform of Zion is been switched off. Dala maskole besazi ukuthi there's a show azodlala Zion. It's no longer there. If you go to the gospel shows on SABC,
man. Hey.
SABC, excuse to say station because it's khule ngaso. You will never see Amazon as normal as you normally see them
no man, busy lana man.
Previously. So sizonika leso space so ukuthi okay, music wethu uyadlalwa manje.
Facts.
Given space for clap and tap.
Facts.
And now it's been switched off. Sizo raise the volume uloma part of the shows. And in interviews is now Pastor but uzongena kula interview because it's very important that you must understand when we call you for an interview, we are not calling you uzokhulisa ngesonto lakho. It's a form of holding you to account. We're calling if when you're Christ like. There will be questions based on those things. Umntana ozalwe kabusha onjani? Lesimfundisa mina umntana ozalwe kabusha so. So we'll hold you to account to enjoy preacher njalo in the pulpit. So that's why this show abazalwane they need to stay tuned. There's a lot happening there.
I was still explaining ukuthi igama leli elithi engage. Obviously we know the definition of engage. Yes. Like in marriage commitment and it.
Yes.
Yeah, now engage umuntu we are committed.
Committed.
So nathi it's a commitment. I think uPastor Chris somehow ichazile.
Yes.
I-commitment esifuna ukuthi umholi ezazoyiveza ukuthi how committed is he yena kubantu. Nathi as ama-presenters, we are committed to make sure ukuthi whatever topic that we are handling on that Thursday, we also give them a solution ukuthi nawo okuzokusiza 1, 2, no 3. We don't just talk about it, but at the same time, but each source of reference here too, it's always the Bible.
Alright, sikufika
Crazy. 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 Go watch the entire interview, bro.
question le kumholi wami ukuthi if abaholi sibabona lapha ya bemile abaphambili beshumayela bekhuluma besho sizonibona yini nibabiza mhlawumbe ngoba ukhuluma nge-accountability sizonibona yini ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe nibabiza ukuthi lento obuyisho lapha ya uthatha or ikhona la or asiqodo.
Yeah, no, we do call abazalwane, and then but once we call you, we make you aware.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That we're not calling you to make you feel like you don't know what you're talking about.
Yes,
Yeah.
most definitely.
Sometimes you said something very inspiring.
Yeah,
Can you come and clarify it?
Yes, you suggest it.
Give us more feed to it, so that abazalwane can learn more. And you must say this is a positive show.
Facts.
Negativity is not part of us.
Facts.
So asilethi ukuzoletha inhlebo yamasonto this
Ain't got
shop.
time for that.
We bring
Ain't got time for that. Ain't got time for that. That is the same thing I say on my channel. It's like, I don't care what y'all be doing, and Paul, I'm not here for that. We're not here for that.
This is a positive show. Negativity is not part of us. So asilethi ukuzoletha inhlebo yamasonto this shop. We bring positivity. Uyisho kahle lesikuzwile emlindelweni uyisho so, and we love it. Can you come and clarify it more to us? Naye uza ne-inspiration, I'm coming here to add value.
Thina we identify and let abantu ukuthi
and clarify it more to us. Naye uza ne-inspiration, I'm coming here to add value.
thina we identify and let abantu ukuthi bazwenze clarity and abantu abagcotshiwe abantu abazokhuluma ukuphila ebantwini esinoma mashilo ukuthi asilethi ukanye akuza abantu abazophusha ama-agenda wamasonto as much as nathi mase si online okanye mase on air. It's not about the press, it's not about the believers, but it's about what God has mandated to us ukuthi sizokondla abantwana bakhe. Okay.
Facts. Look, all I'm saying is, bro, go watch the entire thing. I'm not lying to you. Go watch the entire thing. I was watching this thing when we were spanning, right? I was on my way back from home. I mean, from work. It was a sad. It was a Tuesday. Yes, it dropped on a Tuesday. I remember very well. It was a Tuesday when this video dropped, and I was coming back from work, and I was listening to this entire thing, and I realized, their chemistry is so crazy. The way they articulate everything and the way they answer the questions, bro, it made me sit down and kind of look at things in a different way. That it is not about me all the time. It's about what can I offer somebody else. Because, we live in the world where it's always about if I'm not satisfied, the next person cannot get it. It does not work like that, unfortunately. It's all about I have it. Let me share it. Crazy, bro. You better make sure you tune into that show. So I'll leave the link in the description below. And as every Thursday, make sure to join in to Ingoni FM. You will not regret joining that show. So, in a favorite rate of who, be to Jupiter. Adios.